Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Sutar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. Let's continue with the series of Python. Today in this tutorial, we will move ahead with the data type set and dictionary. We will see them into code editor in a moment. Let's open a PyCharm application. So here my PyCharm application I have opened. Here I have written some code in the advance already so that I won't miss anything. So number one, let's start with the set. What is set in Python? So set is an unordered collection of items. Set items are unique and it is mutable. That means we can add or remove items from the set. Now, how to define a set? So let's check in the code editor. Number one, we can use the set function. So here I'm creating new variable s and I'm using the set function. Inside the set function, we can give values that we want to store as a set. Now, here I have given the numbers here and I am going to print it out and see the outcome. So here I'm going to right click and run it again. And once I have run, then I have received my the feedback in the print section. It is the values that I have given inside the round bracket that I have received here in a curly bracket. That means it is a set. Now the order of set, it's not as we have given inside the data. That means set is an unordered collection of the unique items. Okay, this is the first method how we can define the set. Okay, I'm going to comment it out. This is the another method how we can define the set by using the curly bracket. So before we have seen the square bracket that we are using to define the list, round bracket that we are using to define tuple, and the remaining one is a curly bracket that we are going to use to define a set. So here another type how we can define set by using the curly bracket, and we can give the values inside the curly bracket and we can print it out and we will see the output. It is the same that we have received, but it is not in the order that we have given. Okay, fine. Can we access the element of set by using the index, same as the list and tuple? Let's try it out. So here my code is I'm going to access the first element of my variable. Variable is set itself. Let's just print it out. No, set object is not subscriptable. That means index isn't supported in set because it is an unordered collection, right? So that we cannot access the element of set by using the index. Okay, that's we. After that, there are several methods that we can use with the set. So number one is add. What is the add method is going to do? So add method will help us to add single element into the set. That means we can insert the single value into the set. Let's try it out. So here is my set variable is s, and I'm going to use the add method, and inside the add method I'm going to give one value that I want to add, and let's try to print it out. First check 3 is not in my set already, so I'm going to add here. Okay, fine. I'm going to print it out. That's great. So here the element has been inserted already, right? That's great. That works. Can we add multiple element into the set by using the add method? Let's try it out. So here I have accessed my set variable and applying the add method, and inside the add method I'm going to put the 2 items and try to print it out and see whether it's working or not. So no, here I have received the type error. Add takes exactly 1 argument and 2 has given. That means we cannot not add multiple items into the set by using the add method. Okay, fine. So there is another method, update method, that allow us to add multiple items into the set. So here is first I'm going to try the update method. So here s is my variable and I'm going to use the update method. Inside the update method I'm going to give 2 elements that I want to add and try to run it out. No, it is not working. I got a type error. Int object is not iterable. So when we are using the update method, Inside the update method, we cannot give the raw element. So we need to give the element into the list or a tuple. So that's why I'm going to comment it out and check this one out. So here I have accessed my variable, my set variable s, and apply the update method. Inside the update method, I'm going to put the multiple element into a list. Then after, I will try to print it out to see whether it is working or not. Let's just run it. And here it is. Here I have inserted 8 and 9 two new element, and my new elements are here already. That's working. That means we can add the single element into the set, and we can add the multiple element into the set. Now, how can we remove the element from the set? By using the remove method. It is here. But by using the remove method, we need to give particular element that we want to remove. So here I want to remove the element 8 that I have given, and I'm going to print it out to see whether it's removed or not. Here it is removed already. That's great. Now I want to try it again, whether maybe I don't remember whether I have removed or not. I'm trying to remove it again and see whether there is any error or not. So here, let's try it out. So no, here I have received the key error 8. That means this element is not present into the set. That's why it is returning me to key error. Okay, that's great. There is one more method, is a discard, that we can use to remove the element. So here, this discard is going to work same as the remove. So I'm going to remove the element 10 and print it out. Yes, here it is working. It is removed from the set. Now the same, I don't remember whether I have removed the element or not, but let's say I'm trying to remove it again by using the discard and see whether there is any error or not. I did not see any error. That means it is working. So discard will not return any error. If the element does not exist into the set, it will just pass it. It will not raise any error. That's great. Now there is one more method, is a clear. Clear, that means we are going to clear all the elements from the set, and after that we are going to try to print it. Here we have received a set is a blank, so there are no element into the set. That's great. So our next method is a pop method. Here is a pop method. Pop method is going to remove the element, but it is not the last element same as the list, because set is not an ordered collection of the data. So that's why pop is going to remove any random element from the set. That let's try it out and see the outcome. So here I'm going to use my I'm going to access my set variable s and apply the pop method and see the outcome, whether what is going to remove from the set. So here there is one element is removed is a 1, but here we can see it is not the last element. That means it is some random element. Okay. One more thing that we can do when we are having the multiple sets, then we can find a unique, we can find a difference as well by using some method. So here I'm going to create one more set by using the variable y. It is here. Okay, and I'm going to print it my y variable as well. That means y set as well. Then here my sorry, I have to just get it back. I don't want to clear it. So I'm going to print it again. So here is my set y, set s, and here is my set y. In the both set, there are some variable are common, such as 7 and 9. Now, what I can do? So number one, I can do is a union. Union, that means merge two set, and I will receive all elements into the one set. Let's print it out. Here it is. I have received all the elements, but yes, it is not going to repeat. So whenever there are element common into two sets, I will receive only one time. That's that's the function of union. There is one more method, is an intersection. What intersection is going to do? So intersection is going to help us to get the values that are available in the both sets. Let's try it out. So here I'm going to run the code, and I got the elements 7 and 9. so that we can see 7 and 9 are available in the both sides. That is the function of intersection. What is the difference? Now difference is going to return us, give us the value that are here. I'm using the as that means set as difference y. That means I will receive the all the element that are available into set s, but it will remove all the element of y and remove the element that are available in the both set s and y. Let's try to print it out and see the outcome. So here I have received 1, 2, 300, 6 and 70. I haven't received 7 and 9 because that are available in the both set. Another method is a symmetric difference. So what is symmetric difference? Symmetric difference is going to return all the value that are available into set s and set y, but it will remove the value that available into the both set. Let's try to check. So here is our outcome. I have received the values of s and y, but it has removed the mutual value that available into the both sets 7 and 9. So that is the symmetric difference method is going to return. So here we have seen the some of the useful method that we can use with the set as well. Now we are moving to the dictionary. So I'm going to comment out all the codes of set first, so it's not going to affect me anymore. Now let's move to the dictionary. What is dictionary? So dictionary also we need to define into the curly bracket, or we can use the some inbuilt function is a dict. Okay, so what is the dictionary? So dictionary has an element of key and corresponding value that is expressed as a pair of key and values. Values of dictionary can be anything: string, number, list or tuple. But the key of dictionary must be immutable type string, number or tuple, and keys must be unique in the dictionary. So here I'm going to define my first dictionary by using the curly bracket that's here, and let's try to print it out. So what is the outcome we can see here? So here I have received my dictionary. So in the dictionary there is a first is a key, after that colon, after colon there is a value of this key, and all the elements of the dictionary separated by the comma itself. So here I have after comma there is another key, value, after comma another key and value. That's great. Now dictionary also does not support indexing, but yeah, the key of dictionary itself an index. So we can use the key of dictionary to get the value of that associated with that key by using. So here I'm using the my dictionary, and inside the square bracket my index I'm going to give the name, and it will return me the value of the name Mayur. That is correct. That means the keys of dictionary itself an index. Okay, how can we add items in a dictionary? So here is an example. I want to add the location in my dictionary. How I can add? By using, I'm going to use the dictionary, and in the square bracket I'm going to give the key that I want to add into the dictionary. So location is not available in the dictionary, that I'm going to add here, and what value I want to give to particular that key, it is Vietnam. Okay, after that let's try to print out and see the outcome. Yes, it is working. See, we can see our key and value both are appended, that means inserted into the dictionary. That's great. How we can check the keys of the dictionary and values of the dictionary? By using the methods dictionary.keys, then we will receive all the keys available in the dictionary. The same way we can get only the values of the dictionary by using the dictionary.values method. Here the values are. And what is the items? Dictionary.items will return all the pair of keys and values, and here the data are. Here I have received the value key and value in a tuple. That means those are pair, key value, key value, key value. Okay, that's great. Now, how we can insert item by using the method. So here is a one method is update that we can use. By using the update method, inside the update method we have to give the key and value, and that is going to insert into the dictionary. Let's print it out and see. I'm going to insert the gender and value is a male. Here my answer is, so update is also going to insert the data into the dictionary. That's great. Now what pop is going to do? Pop is going to remove the particular key along with the associated value that the key we have to give inside to the pop method. Okay, inside the pop method I'm going to give the key is a gender, and let's try to print it out to see whether it's removed or not. So here it is. By using the pop method we have removed the gender key and its associated value as well. There is a one more method is a pop item that we can use to remove the last element of the dictionary, such as here. Here is our last element is a location that has been removed from the dictionary. Okay, great. As I have mentioned earlier, in the dictionary, the values can be anything, list, tuple, and it can be repeat multiple times as well. So here is a one more example that I would like to share with you. So here I'm creating the dictionary one. Here I have given some names and ages, and the values I have given multiple values and put into the list form. And here I have repeated the value as well, so that we can see whether it is working or not. Now, if I want to access the name of dictionary, that I can access by using the dictionary and square bracket. Inside the square bracket, I'm going to give the key that I want to access. Here I have received my answer is a Mayur. Sorry, I need to access the dictionary one, and here the answer is there are multiple names in the dictionary. That's great. So we have seen some of the method that we can use with the set, and some of the method we can use with the dictionary, and how we can create the database in the data type set and a data type dictionary. Hope you are enjoying the tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.